Hi there. If you want to learn copywriting, then these are the 4 steps all you have to follow. And it comes from my experience. I have been writing copy for the past 4 years, right? And now I have moved on to different things as well, because copywriting is just one skill, but there are other skills. If you learn, you can become much more valuable for a business, or even you can start your own business if you have multiple skills, right? So if you're just starting out, you need to focus on copywriting because it is a low cost and high value skill for businesses. And if you can do well, if you can write copy that converts, you can charge more, you can get paid as well, because it is directly linked to performance. If you perform, you'll get as much as you can earn. There is no limit, right? If you work in traditional job, let's say you are working in customer service department, then you have a cap on how much you can earn. But over here, copywriting is directly linked to conversion, sales, and transaction. It is one of the most valuable thing in the business, so there is no cap. As long as you are doing well, you can earn through copywriting. So let's see the steps. So step number 1, first learn whatever. Like, you can pick a book, right? My recommendation would be Copywriting Secrets by Edward. I guess I don't remember the full name because I have read the book like few years ago. But if you're a beginner, just start with a book, or you can watch a video on copywriting and just watch that. Don't have to consume a lot of content. Just pick one video or one book and pick that and just focus on it. Do not consume any other thing until you have read that book and implemented your learnings. Because I see, if you read a lot, if you watch 100 different videos on the same topic, you will be just confused. You won't know like what you need to do, right? So it is coming from my experience, right? You just have to pick one thing, one channel, one book, and just attack on it, right? And let's see the step 2, practice. And see, whenever you try to learn a skill, there are multiple sub elements. There are multiple components of that skill. For example, if you want to write a sales copy, then there would be like headline, then body copy, then conclusion, how to write guarantees. So there are multiple elements of a same skill, right? So you need to pick one element and practice it. For example, you want to learn how to write ads, how to write headlines. This is the most important thing. If you want to write copy that sells, so just practice that. Whatever you have learned from the book or the video course you have taken, just apply it, put that thing into practice. And let's see the step 3, repeat. See, if you're starting out, writing just 5 times or 10 times is not enough. You have to do it way more. You have to repeat, continuously repeat whatever you are learning, whatever elements that you have learned so far. Just repeat day in and day out. If you have learned about like a framework on how to write ads, then use it, like try it 100 times, so that you will become better at it, right? And step 4, move on to other elements, right? Once you know how to write headlines, then you will move to like how to write a body copy, how to make it engaging, how to use bullet pointers. So there are multiple elements of a same skill. You need to master on that, right? And repeat this entire process. And just be patient, because I see a lot of people start, and if they don't see any progress, they quit. And I would like to give you a rule, which is called the rule of 100. Whatever you are trying to learn, at least try 100 times before you quit. And if you try 100 times, you won't there is a it is impossible that you don't see any result. You will see results. And a lot of people don't even try 10 times, right? So if you are a beginner in any skill, it will take time for sure. But if you learn from the right people, if you do the right things day in and day out, you are going to become much successful, and you will get fast results. And yeah, these are the steps, just follow it. Like 99% people will just watch, only 1% people will take action and get the results, actual results. But it takes work. You have to put in a lot of time, energy, and even money sometimes to learn stuff. But it will be worth it, because it is one of the most important skill that you will learn in your career. It will become a foundation of everything that you will do further in your career, right? And so get started today. Whatever you learned from this video, just to start implementing that is my advice to everyone who is just starting out with copywriting. So I will see you in the next video. Bye, have a good day.